CS50 Python final project.
My name is Abdurrahman Yunus and my project title is Social Media Analytics and Moderation Tool. My final project folder consists of 7 different files. First file named project.py, which contains all main functions in my project. Second one named helpers.py, which contains all supportive functions, global variables or classes to my project.py. Third one, which is my database for my CS50 SQL final project. Also, I have a unit test file which deals with helpers.py functions because project.py functions are just for displaying interfaces, not returning values. And I have requirements.txt which contains all third-party modules. Also in another text file I have a list of bad words. Finally, this is the markdown file that contains a short description of my file. And it's worth noting that my project is a terminal-based project. So we start with the homepage interface. We have 3 choices: reading a direct input from terminal, or reading a file, external file like CSV or text, and reading a database, CS50 SQL final project database. I just imported it here. So in this video I will only try the first choice by pressing A. So we have 6 different features I can access with my input in terminal. Firstly, I can input a password and get the rating and strength of it. Test passwords. Okay. Let's try password with capital P and numbers. Yeah. I got 815 because it doesn't have any special characters like hashes or something. So, another password? No. We get back to features interface. So let's try hashing a password feature by pressing 2 or P. Hashing password. Enter a password. Password 123 with a special character. This is my original password and this is my hash password. Another password? Yes. Anything. This is the hashed version. No. So in the third choice, I have a sanitizing feature that sanitizes any word in my bad words text file. So let's try it. Sanitizing a text. I would write spam, 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 you are spam with punctuation. Like it is. This is the sanitized version of my text. No. In fourth option, I just check the validity of username or an email. Enter a username, a2mpy, my email, a2mpy, just like that, .com. As you see, my username is valid because it's valid, and my email is invalid because I didn't write any Gmail or Yahoo or something else. No. In my fifth choice, I can encrypt a text or decrypt it with the Caesar method. So let's choose our process. I'll choose encrypt by writing in. We should enter a key, and it tells me to enter the text that I want to encrypt, like hello world. And this is my encrypted text. Yeah. If I want to decrypt it, I just enter yes and select D and decrypt it with the same key. My key is 5, which is the same as 31 in Caesar method. So I will choose 5 or 31. 5 and copy paste it. Yeah, and we will get hello world. No. And the last feature in my first choice, which is reading direct input, which is getting image info, like brightness, sharpness, contrast, etc. It prompts me for an image path, like I have a test.pmp picture. And it gets me the height, width, ratio, aspect ratio, brightness, contrast, and sharpness. So let's get back to my main interface or home page. There remains another 2 files there that I will keep it to try them by yourself. So, and if I want to exit a program, I just press Ctrl D or Ctrl C. And it tells me bye bye. This was my CS50 Python final project. Thanks for watching.